All right, so saved a little tricky one for last. So we've got the exponential equation going through the point 0, -5. So I'm going to go, that's my x, that's my y. So -5 equals a times b to the x, which is 0. And I know anything raised to the 0 power is going to equal 1. So that's going to be 1 times a equals -5. So we divide by 1. A equals -5. Now I have y equals -5 times b to the x. So now I'm going to use this point over here, this x and this y again. So I've got -135 equals -5 times b to the -3rd. All right, so we've got -135 equals -5b to the -3rd. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the -5. -5 divide by -5. All right, so we've got -135 divided by -5 is equal to 27. B to the -3rd. All right, so now we're going to throw it back to last chapter where we talked about what do you do if you have a negative exponent. Well, if you have a negative exponent, we write it as 1 over b to the +3rd. Okay, so now we have 1 over b to the 3rd. So I'm going to put 27 over 1, and I'm going to cross multiply. So I get 1 times 1 is 1 equals, cross multiply, 27 b to the 3rd. Okay, I divide both sides by 27. So I get b to the 3rd equals, and I'm going to write that over here, b to the 3rd equals 1 over 27. So the way that I get rid of raised to the 3rd is with a root of 3, so the cube root. So I'm going to do cube root of this side and cube root of that side. Cube root and cubed are going to cancel. I'm going to write up here b equals the cube root of 1 is 1 over the cube root of 27 is 3. B equals 1/3. So my final equation for this is y equals -5 times 1/3 to the x. Final answer. All right, so that one was a little tricky with the negative exponent, but you got this. All right.